What's going on, everybody? Here I have a 2001 Chevy Impala, and I'm having trouble starting it. So if there's anybody out there that can help me start this car up or get it cranked or whatever, please leave a comment in the comments box. So I'm going to describe the problem to you guys right now. I really don't know exactly what I can think of, what might be wrong. I changed the fuse. I actually reset the security thing, and I put the fuse back in, still nothing. I took the cables off the battery, tried to reset the battery, there is nothing going on. And then tried to tap the starter, there's still nothing going on. So every time I reconnect everything, turn it on, I called an auto spot. They were saying that it might be the alternator or so. But if you can, just leave me a comment and let me know what I can do or tip or anything like that that I can just take amongst myself and get it fixed. Thanks.